May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly market forecast. This one's for crude oil. All right, crude oil. I'm looking at the crude oil, U.S. crude oil futures. Okay, and looking at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour. And I've left a bunch of stuff to read. You can take a screenshot if you like. All right, but the basic premise of my thesis here is that one, we have in the monthly an order block forming here with the down close candles being the sell before the stronger buy. And from this, you can see the market has held. There was a displacement through that the top of the order block. That makes for a strong um, uh, bullish order block here, and it makes for a great area for support. And you can see how resilient it has been. We had a deep retracement followed by another deep retracement. This is the one I'm paying attention to. Why? Because there is a down close candle that was, uh, uh, well, it was swept. All right, and the high of this, the the most recent uh, consolidation area was swept, and then we have this pullback. I'm looking for this, which is pulled back to an OTE levels. That's optimal trade entry. I'm looking for that to spark a move higher. You can see that in the weekly, as I wrote here. Here are your optimal trade entry levels: 618, 705, 786. And you see this corrective pullback to this impulsive move up. All right. And you can see that that bearish leg came down and then up over to the right. It held as support. So, what am I looking for here? I'm looking for the market to close above that golden line there. That line, because there was a sweep here, and then the buy up that overtook this sell off, this would form another bullish order block. And I would be looking for price, if it does come back, to hold as support and push price higher, just like I have illustrated here. All right. This area is this last part here. Okay. And you can see there was a sweep of sell side liquidity and then a move higher, forming an order block here. Price came back to test that order block here, and it held and pushed price higher, breaking the high here that broke this low. That's significant for me. All right. And it comes up here, it doesn't quite take this high, but it leaves relative equal highs as a draw on liquidity. And as price is pulling back now, we are pulling back to OTE levels from, if you divide it with the 50%, the 50% of this trading range, as this is the origin of the last impulsive move. Uh, and as it's pulling back, I'm hoping it comes back just a little further to 618, 705, and then takes off. All right, you can see that on the 4 hour here. This is the sell off before the stronger buy. This forms the order block here. I'm looking at this pullback, and we're dancing above at the top of this order block, which is holding support. Price sweeps these lows here. That's why I have this dollar sign, this dollar sign. These are the sell side liquidity points of these lows. The price comes down for a sweep and then moves back up. We are in business. I will happily take a trade here. So that's it. Tell me what you think. All right. And Let me know what your progress is. Give me some feedback during the week and let me know how things are going for you. Okay? And make sure you hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. May profits be upon you.